Hello everyone, welcome back. So now it's time to implement the like functionality and dislike functionality. So as you can see here, we have the static 2.8k likes. So we already are inside in the per each like loop. So we can directly call the likes attribute of that. So I'm going to call that right here. So dollar post of likes, and it's going to display that. And then we have the like and dislike functionality. So what we can do is I can add condition here, um, but what we are going whenever you click on this button, your like will be added to this and this likes will be incremented, and we can set by default as well 0, and I think this is 0 already, but that's okay. Like if I do wire click dot prevent, and we are going to create method with the name of like, and we will have to pass the post id. So I'm going to call post id here, and then go to go ahead and create this method. Yeah, so I am going to home component, and here I'm going to create a function. This is going to be like, and then accepting dollar id. And here we will do like transaction, because we will have to do two things: add like row to the likes model and increment the this thing, that is like attribute. So transaction, import the db, and then begin transaction, and then try catch black. And here we will first like the add like, so like where I think let's do this way. So where this is going to be 2, so let's use array. The first is post underscore id, and this comes from the variable that is dollar id, or we can say post id, and then user id, which is this I think yeah, um yeah, so user id is auth id. And as you know, we don't want duplicates, so we have to do something. Let's import the like, and instead of where, we can create like first or create, uh, if I search first or create Laravel, we have a method for that. I think that is like first or create, but let's confirm that. So as you can see, first or create, and if this doesn't exist, it's going to create that, and if it exists, it's going to return that. That is what we want to do. Post, and throw in error, and after that we have to increment it. So I am going to um, call the post. So post equals to post, and find or fail, probably like again, like the post id doesn't exist, then it's going to fail. And here we are going to call the likes, and then it's equal to uh, +1 directly. So +1, and then save that, and then commit the transaction. So db colon commit, to commit the changes to the database, and then roll back the migrations, sorry, the transaction. So roll back, and that's it. And let's try that actually. So I am going to save this, and then come here, and let's see how does it looks like. So I will click on, we still see 2k likes. That's kind of weird. I think I didn't save the home blade file. Yeah, so let's save that and refresh the page again. Now we do have the likes, one like. If I click on this, it's going to add my like. Yeah, but we want this to be like, the color should be changed when when I have liked this post. So we are going to do something for that. As you can see, the pill is um, none, but if I set this to like yellow or something like that, it's going to appear right here. So we can make use of that, but as you know, we are using the their package. Where is that? Right here. Let's see if we can we can change that. So I'm going to get icon and get icon feather Laravel, change icon color, and let's ask Uncle Google if we have if they have any query for that. So stack overflow, control Vue.js. um I think we can just like brainstorm, like if I um pass in array pill and equal that to like blue something like, or yellow. Let's see if this is going to work. I don't see anything on the on this link hyperlink. uh, they are doing something else, but let's see if that's working. Passed an array here, as you can see. Yeah, it seems to be working, so which is cool. We just brainstormed and it works. So now we have to add like condition. If I have liked this, then go ahead and fill color, otherwise do not. So I can do that by doing like something like checking if the like, but we have to add dislike as well. So I'm going to do something else, like here I am going to create a PHP code, and let's say liked or like, and then calling the like model. I'm going to add the, like the dislike as well, so that's why I have to add a second like a button and then add condition. So like, and then where, and here we will have post underscore id, and that is equal to dollar post id, and user underscore id is equal to auth id, that is current user. So auth id, then the first one, and if this exists, then at if dollar like, then do this one, otherwise do something else. So control C and else condition as well. Now if the like does exist, then we should have like a dislike button, huh? So dislike or unlike, something like that. And now this is going to be likes, only the buttons, like this will be filled, the color, this will show like this is liked actually, and if you click on that, it's going to unlike that button, so that post. So dislike or unlike, we can do that. And I'm going to create another one, copy that and paste it right here, and here we will have the like, and this is going to be not pill, the pill property will be set to null, and likes and that thing is fine. And another, like if I, let's try that actually, if we have anything we can work upon that. And I will have to create the dislike function. So I am going to go to the home, and let's actually duplicate this one, because the functionality is going to be pretty much the same. Name should be changed to dislike, accepts id, and if the like does exist, then go ahead and delete it. So first where, first, and delete it. So dollar like equals to this, then delete it, then come here and minus equals to like decrease the likes as well and commit the changes. So now let's try that out. I'm going to refresh the page and it's still zero. I think we haven't like that. We will see like doesn't exist. So like, oh, that is models. So let's see. Now it seems to be working. So we this post has one like, and let's see this one. As you can see now, this functionality works fine. So if I like this, it's going to show it this way, and if I click on this again, it's going to like call the delete or unlike button or dislike button. So that is all about the like and dislike feature. In the next one we are going to work on the comment section. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Leave your thoughts on the comment section, and I will see you in the next one.